This EV just made every hypercar look slow. Rimac Nevera R broke the 0 to 400 kilometers per hour world record in total silence. In just 25.79 seconds, the Nevera R went from 0 to 400 kilometers per hour and back to 0. That's faster than Koenigsegg's Jesko Absolute. It shaved off over 4 seconds from its own previous record. And while most cars scream at that speed, the Nevera? Dead quiet. Just 2,107 horsepower, 4 electric motors, AI torque vectoring, and some serious aero magic. 0-60 miles per hour in 1.66 seconds, 0 to 300 kilometers per hour in 7.89 seconds. Top speed, 431 kilometers per hour. 24 world records broken in one day. All while being road legal. It's not just fast, it's next-gen, weaponized electricity. Is this the new king of hypercars, or just tech showing off? Could an EV finally end the era of combustion? Comment below. Team Rimac or Team Petrol? And don't forget, this is just getting started.